guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this super chic 5-strand Dutch braid. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it and I knew I just had to have it in my life. Some of you may know this about me, but I absolutely love spending my spare time outdoors, so I'm always on the hunt for hairstyles that not only look great, but are also practical as well. So after a lot of practice and very tired arms, I finally got the hang of it, and I wanted to share with you guys how to do it on yourself and some tips that I learned along the way. All you need for this hair tutorial is a elastic just to tie up the hair, and if you have lots of layers in your hair, you might want to have some bobby pins on hand as well. And to make things easier on yourself, before you get started, make sure your hair is free of any knots or tangles. It's going to save you so much frustration. Alright, once your hair is tangle free, you'll want to gather all the hair on top of your head. Now, we need to create 5 equal sections. I find it easiest to spread out my fingers and allow them to do the sectioning for me. This part can be tricky, but you'll now want to hold on to all the sections with your fingers to get ready for braiding. Since I'm starting left to right, I like to hold my first 2 sections in my left hand and the next 3 in my right. To start the braid, take the first section on the left and go underneath the second section. I find it most helpful to place that second section in front of my shoulder so that it's out of the way. Now that we've gone under our second section, we want to go over the third section. And then that's it for this side. Now we're going to repeat the same steps going right to left. Taking that 5th strand and going underneath the 4th strand, and remembering to place that 4th strand out of the way, and then going over the 3rd. And now you can see the start of the braid. We're going to keep repeating the same steps, but now gathering some hair and adding it into our outside sections as we braid, just like a Dutch braid. So I like to grab about 1.5 inch sections as I move down the braid, and you just want to make sure to smooth out the section before you begin. Now that you've added hair to that front section, repeat the pattern. Going underneath the second section, placing it out of the way, and then going over the 3rd section. Then same thing on the right side, grabbing about a 1.5 inch section, incorporating it into that outside strand, and then remembering to smooth it all down. Then going underneath that 4th section, tossing the 4th section in front of my shoulder, and then continuing over the middle section. And you can start to see the braid taking form. So just keep repeating the pattern, gathering about 1.5 inch sections of hair from the sides, joining it into that outside section, going underneath the 2nd section and placing it out of the way, and then going over the 3rd section. Hopefully by now you feel familiar with the pattern, so you're just going to want to keep repeating this all the way down to the nape of your neck. As you're braiding, just try to ensure that the sections stay separate so that they don't tangle up at the bottom. Also, this is a very forgiving braid, so don't worry if you need to take breaks or if you make any mistakes. You can undo part of the braid and then redo it. But take your time with it, be patient, and I also find working in front of a mirror can be a big help too. As you're moving down your head, you'll start to get more familiar with the braid and you'll get a good rhythm down. It'll start to get easier and your fingers will know exactly what to do. So once you've inspected it in the mirror and you're happy with it, tie it off. And once the elastic is tight, I like to leave my finger looped into the bottom of it because I like to grab a piece of hair from the underside, wrapping it around the elastic, and then tucking it through the loop to hide it. Then you know me, I can't resist pulling it apart. Now this braid is a lot of work, so you just want to pull on the sides very gently just to help add a little bit more drama and fullness to the look. So there you have it, you guys. That is how you achieve the 5-strand braid on yourself. I absolutely love this braid. I think that it is so unique and beautiful. I love how versatile this braid is. I think it'd be perfect for a daytime outdoors look, but also if you do it sleek and chiced back, I think it'd be great for a night out on the town or even a holiday party this season. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought, and if you try this look out yourself, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!